Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by powering the phone off. This prevents damage and data glitches. Next, remove any protective case so the tray is accessible. Locate the tiny pinhole along the side or top. Insert the SIM eject tool straight and press gently until the tray pops out. If you lack a tool, use a straightened paperclip. Once the tray is out, confirm the tray type: single, hybrid, or dual. This decides how you place the two SIMs and whether a micro SD can stay installed. Now you position the SIM cards. Metal contacts face down and the diagonal cut aligns with the tray notch so each card seats securely. Put SIM1 in the primary slot and SIM2 in the secondary. If your tray is hybrid, decide between a second SIM or micro SD. One slot only supports one or the other. Gently press each card so it sits flush without bending. Once both are correctly seated, slide the tray back in straight, making sure it inserts smoothly and fully. Power the phone on and wait as the system detects each SIM. Signal bars or carrier names should appear. Then open Settings, go to Network and Internet, and assign names like Personal or Work. Also choose which SIM handles calls, SMS, and mobile data. Make a short test call and browse a web page to confirm functionality. If a SIM shows no service, power down, remove the tray, reseat the cards, and ensure contacts are clean. Only then try a different tray or provider SIM.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.